Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the email on your PlayStation 5 account. This easy guide will help you update your login details, whether you're improving security, consolidating accounts, or simply prefer a new email address. Keeping your account information current is crucial for maintaining access and protecting your digital assets. We'll make this process straightforward and stress-free, ensuring your gaming experience remains uninterrupted. Before you begin, gather your current PlayStation Network sign-in ID, which is your existing email, and your password. You'll also need access to both your old and your new email accounts to complete the verification steps. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this process requires online access. Having these details ready will save you time and make the transition seamless. First, sign into your PlayStation account on a web browser or directly on your PlayStation 5 console. Navigate to Account Management, then select Security. Here, you'll find the option to change your sign-in ID, which is your email address. Enter your new email, and a verification link will be sent. Click this link to confirm the change, typically within a few minutes. After successfully changing your email, remember to update any other services or subscriptions linked to your PlayStation account. If you encounter any issues, double-check your spam folder for the verification email or try the process again after a short wait. Sony's support page offers additional troubleshooting tips. Keeping your account details up to date ensures smooth access and enhanced security for your gaming adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.